In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an SSH key in Cloudways. Adding an SSH key lets you connect to your server securely without typing a password every time. It's faster, safer, and ideal for everyday development work. Before we begin, have your public key ready. This is the text from your .pub file, often named idrsa.pub or something similar. Make sure it's the public key, not the private one, and don't share the private key with anyone. Start by logging into the Cloudways platform. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the dashboard where you can manage your applications and servers. We'll be working at the server level, so you can apply the key exactly where you need access. If you have multiple teams or projects, confirm you're in the right account or workspace before continuing. Next, open your server list. From the top menu, click Servers. This shows all the servers available to you. Choose the server where you want SSH access. Take a moment to confirm its name and location so you're adding the key to the correct machine. If you manage several environments, like staging and production, double-check you've selected the intended one. Now, add your public key. Look for the SSH Public Keys option in your server management area and click it. You'll see a place to label the key and a larger field to paste the key itself. For the label, pick a clear, descriptive name you'll recognize later, such as work laptop or home desktop. This is especially helpful if you rotate devices or plan to remove keys in the future. Paste the contents of your public key file into the key field. The key is a single line of text that typically starts with SSH RSA or SSH ED25519, followed by a long string, and may end with an optional comment. If your editor wrapped it onto multiple lines, put it back on one line before pasting. Avoid extra spaces or characters, and don't paste your private key by mistake. When everything looks good, click Submit to save it. That's it. Your SSH key is now associated with the selected server, and you can use key-based authentication from the device that holds the matching private key. If you ever change laptops or need to remove access, return to this same area to manage your keys. By keeping your keys labeled and up to date, you'll maintain secure, convenient access to your Cloudways servers.